I was just making a phone call outside and she came and said hi to me. I think she's a little intimidated by the camera. Don't worry, Pinky. Don't worry. You're a nice girl. You're a sweet girl. No. No. Tighten up the lens. Pinkuchi, Pinkuchi. Pinkuchi, Pinkuchi. Body is itchy. Pinkuchi, Pinkuchi. See, she's getting grey hair. Grey fur, just like me. Kiss him. Psst, psst, psst. Bye, boy. Baba, boy. Good morning, boy. Come up, come. We made a new friend today and she's so sweet. I love her. And that's Pinky. Pinky, take. �49. Biting my head. Kitchen tile is now fully stripped and what you see at the top there is the beginnings of the hole for chimney ventilation. This is definitely the stage of renovation where you start having an existential crisis, doubting yourself, wondering whether you did the right thing when you see everything in such a mess. And mom is a bit annoyed with me for this part because she says this much breaking was not needed. I pushed on, so I really hope that it turns out okay because yeah, this is a mess right now. What do you think, Pam?
It's okay, you wanted it.
Yeah, look at that passive aggressive answer.
Nicely taken, huh?
Yeah, so sweet. No, she took okay. Pinky. No, but like it was, you saw that.
Right before she bit me. This one is better.
Pinky? Pinky, I'm coming. Yes, Pinky. This is like my favorite thing to do now. I never realized dogs were so easy to carry. She's so sweet. Even when I lift her up, she doesn't get like restless or anything. Take him in the hand. Take him in the hand.
Oh, I'm getting excited. Scratch me also.
What are they doing? Just what are they doing? Jump. They've started their games again. So we're coming to the end of our trip now, and I guess I haven't shown you guys any house updates in the last few days because we took a little break from the work. We only have a few days remaining, so we couldn't really start any big project. We might as well do that on the next trip. And Like, we were needing a plumber again. The plumber thing has been the bane of our existence because we got a nice plumber, we got some work done, and then now he's not in Goa anymore, and we had a really small job. So today we got another plumber who seems to have done an okay job in the kitchen. I'll just show you guys what I'm talking about. After our guy broke all of the tiles, he kind of did a little, like, what is this, an application of cement, you can say. This is a few days old and it's completely dry now, but when he went behind the plumbing of the kitchen sink, he realized that there were iron pipes over here. Now the problem with iron pipes is that over time they rust and then they just basically stop working and you have to change them. So we got PVC, which is essentially plastic because this is a lot more durable. So these joints had to be changed, and I do have new kitchen taps also. I'm gonna put them on after the tiling because everything kind of becomes a mess while work is going on, and mom was not here while this work happened, so I really hope I've done an okay job supervising. So very minor, but the old kitchen sink drain had developed leaks and stuff because the joint was spoiled. So we have a nice shiny new one now. I'm not even sure if you want these minute little home updates, but they're fun for me to document. And I have to say, taking a break from all of the intense renovation has been so great because it was emotionally exhausting and it's a little bit physically exhausting, which I know it sounds weird because we are not doing the work, the workers are doing the work, but it still drains a lot out of you. Plus I was sneezy all of the time. My sinuses were triggered with like all of the dust and everything, and it's been very healing to just rest for a few days and just live in the house, and the vibes are immaculate. I cannot wait to move in here. Having a relaxed Sunday in with some tuppa. If you guys don't know already, I am obsessed with the Bhutanese restaurant in the area. I literally stalked them this morning till they opened up so I could put in my order. We decided to order tuppa again because we really liked it in the morning. Good morning, Mama.
Good morning. Doesn't like the camera.
She just jumped up from the road directly, and it's fairly high, but she's got long legs and she's very sleek. Yeah.
Coming forward. Shake hand. Shake hand. Pixie, shake hand. Give paw.
No. So we were supposed to start with the tiling today, but it was one of those things. We woke up early. We were waiting for the workmen to come. Nobody came. We were calling up the guy. He's not picking up. And then after like an hour or two, he gave us some excuse. So that didn't happen. We stepped out for an errand. It was very hot. Forget all that. But it's evening now, and we've come for a little walk. This coconut grove kind of thing, just a little like close to the house, and it's just so nice here. Like, I love it. I feel so good taking a walk here. I'm very grateful that there's this space close to home right now, and I keep wanting to come out because there's not much to do here. Like, I don't have my big desktop, there aren't that many devices or distractions, but I really hope once I move here also I can actually feel like coming out more often, because at home in Bombay sometimes I just don't leave the house for a week, so I don't want to keep doing that, you know, because I feel it's good to be outside. It's our last morning here, and look who came to meet us. Pinky!
You may have to.
No, one at a time. today we are going to be leaving for Mumbai and I'm excited to be back home, but I'm also kind of sad to be leaving here, so mixed feelings. I do miss my cats, however, so can't wait to see them, and there's a lot of things that I need to get done in Mumbai. I've been so obsessed with this Bhutanese place nearby. I've just been ordering from them like twice a day and my mom is already sick of it, but it's really good. If you watched this entire series, thank you so much for joining me, and it's not over, of course, because I will continue vlogging when we come to the next trip and do like the painting and stuff, and then the actual move. Just after this vlog, you are going to see the empty house tour, which I think some of you are curious about. Thank you for your patience, and that's all that I have to say for now.